But the next speaker is Praful Patel.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. There's nothing to object about this bill. In fact, we all should support it because it has a limited objective to overcome the current crisis which we are all facing globally and in our country. But the larger issue will be that there will be some amendments required in future because of the experience in the last couple of years, what we have acquired. And I think we need to go for major amendments as we move forward. But for the time being, this is a limited objective. We support it. We all understand. But there is going to be a serious problem even post this moratorium period because the way businesses are in right now, the way the overall environment is right now, we will need to think out of the box to be able to solve these problems. And especially, I was listening to some speakers, small businesses especially, madam, you must look at some kind of an interest subvention scheme for them for this moratorium period. Matters going on in the Supreme Court, that's a different issue. But if the government decides to support some industries, at least by way of interest subvention, I think it will also go a long way to support some of the businesses which will otherwise be struggling to get on their feet even post-COVID. Your colleague and Minister of Civil Aviation is also sitting behind. I'm sure he will agree to some extent that the travel industry, the tourism and the airline industry will be suffering will bleed very heavily, and they will be very difficult to, for many airlines to come back to shape or to be continuing as ongoing businesses. Madam, one or two things which I think you should keep in mind is that the resolution professionals in the IBC, the moment the company goes into NCLT, the resolution professionals are not yet fully equipped to handle the complexity of a business which they are about to handle. And that is one of the reasons where you find also a lot of cases of corruption also brewing within the system where the resolution professionals collude with the erstwhile management of those companies. The NCLT benches are less, they are very overburdened. That is also a major problem. The NCLT also faces the same problem. Delays take place. There are few benches. Many vacancies are there. I think they need to be filled up at the earliest. Otherwise, the problem, this entire IBC, the good objective with which it has been brought about, will not succeed eventually in the long run. And most importantly, madam, I think the business environment today has a lot of hand-holding to do. And I don't find that kind of requisite support which is needed from the government. You have announced many schemes, good for them, but at the same time, I think you still need to do something more to be able to support business and industry. Ultimately, a country will only progress if the business environment, the economics of the country do well. We talk of our country being a 5 trillion economy. These are all notable and laudable objectives. But at the same time, how do we achieve it? And especially with this pandemic, the clock has been pushed back. So I urge you to look at some of the the important aspects of where businesses are finding difficulties and support them during this pandemic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Patel. The next speaker is Binay Vishwam.